dream, Neo, that you were so sure was real? What if you were unable to wake from that dream? How would you know the difference between the dream world and the real world?
This scene encapsulates the inherent question of reality in relation to our technological environment. Hi, I'm Vince, and in this video I'm going to explore with you our modern day matrix and how to escape from it.
Control.
The mirror Neo touches is a metaphor for the screens that we constantly view and place our attention on. These devices and technology keep us in a dreamlike state similar to the movie The Matrix. Your attention is constantly being grappled with in unproductive ways through technological systems. Think about what a matrix actually is. It's a structural environment that one is encompassed by. If we were to be technical with the definition, it is a situation or surrounding substance within which something else originates, develops, or is contained in. This applies aptly to the womb-like techno-environment that constantly surrounds modern man. So, the system in itself is constantly growing and learning. We know this through the advancement of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. These models constantly compute data at an accelerated rate to learn user preferences. If we take the metaphor of the matrix, energy that sustains the technological structure, this would be your attention, basically. Think about it. Your attention is a derivative of your time. If you use your time efficiently, then you can acquire any skill or ability that you actually want. This commodity you have since you were born has been exploited. If I can waste your time by capturing your attention, then this brings no benefit to you, but then you still have to power the system that you are invested in. Since you have not invested your time in any meaningful way, you cannot avoid the quote-unquote rules that encompass it. So how is your attention captured though? It is captured through your data, ergo we can attain or gain your energy through mathematical analysis of your data while scrolling, doing, or anything data derived that you can actually get. The capturing of your attention can be done through sexual stimulation or hilarious entertainment. The mechanism behind it does not matter because mathematical analysis can curate the perfect distraction haven catered for you. If we analyze the character of Neo, we know that the one is an algorithm glitch. In the entire trilogy, Neo never destroys or even changes the Matrix in any meaningful way. He kind of ascends past its appearances and uses it for his own purpose as the one. This is enlightening. It shows that you don't need to necessarily change the technological environment, as some have suggested, quote-unquote, going back to nature. But there have been suggestions that society needs to return to this kind of communal living. The change in that direction is really, really, really low. It does not need to change for you to actually even still benefit within the system. The system itself is yours to benefit, to see how you see fit. It can be beneficial depending on what your purpose is. The end of the first movie has Neo die and Trinity profess her love for him. In that moment, he becomes the one and elevates it past the Matrix. The message here is to use your own attention and direct it towards what you truly desire as your goal. So that's the key, but it's easier said than done. What is done in a movie under like 5 minutes can take months or years to actually accomplish in real life. The only clue here is to construct your own system, a system that constantly improves and uses the features of the current technological matrix to your own advantage. The system of yours would need to understand human nature and basically habit formation. The reason being that the technological system takes advantage of your own inherent weaknesses in human nature. You need to develop a system that roots out those weaknesses in a systematic way. This could be through online journaling, reading the necessary materials that you actually need to help you in your specific goal within whatever you actually want to do. So the understanding of our human nature and tools to build a system to get you there is what the love aspect of the Matrix is. If you're interested in that, then there are articles on my website that you can read about if you're really interested. So if you made it this far in the video, I thank you for your time and hope you had an adequate compensation.